Ken Day, a retired bank manager from Market Harborough.
Ken's got a brilliant collection, and I'm here to check it out.
Great.
It's not about the money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money.
A few years ago I was given a couple of cheques, and so that really started me off beginning to collect.
And the bit that you're really interested in are these beautiful vignettes down the sides of the cheques.
Yes, they illustrate the way the bank is situated. The engravings are lovely, and I've got a selection, as you realise, of castles and cathedrals. And also I much prefer the used cheques rather than the unused cheques, in that you begin to build up who wrote the cheque, why did he write it, who signed it.
Ain't about the cha-ching, ain't about the yeah. Ba-bling, wanna make the world dance.
This is one I acquired only last week. Harrods Stores Limited, obviously dealing with wealthy customers. They opened a bank in 1893. We've got series, The Goddess of Abundance.
And here we've got one for the West Bromwich Albion Football Club from the 80s, £107. Yeah. So that wouldn't buy much of a player, I wouldn't think.
No.
Working for the BBC, I'm used to small cheques, but not as little as this promotional chequebook from Martin's Bank.
In the 1700s, we've got the Industrial Revolution. Some 800 small private banks opened up and down the country, in cities like Leicester and Birmingham, and in smaller market towns like Market Harborough.
Ken's written a book about the ill-fated Harborough Bank, which went bust in the 1800s. A quarter of the town's population lost their savings. Ken's looking high and low for an original Harborough cheque.
There must be some somewhere, and I'd love for somebody to produce one for my collection.
How much would it be worth?
Well, if I said how much it might be worth, then I'd have to pay for it.